हमारे टाइम पे it was only 10 careers or something and all, but it is 10,000 careers and in fact 10 careers every week.
Welcome to yet another episode of Impeccable Talks. India's Ministry of Education has announced a new program.
Education has nothing as a trending kind of a thing. Education is getting into the future things, not just the marks and degree.
Studying in India or studying abroad. So, how is BNI as a network helping you in growing your business? Who is more difficult to deal with, a student or a parent?
Nobody is wrong. They have their own experience, they have their own liberty. That internship and getting a ROI becoming difficult. A lot much is changing. Actually, industry is changing a lot. So obviously that is impacting the careers. You think about it, what dream you want to have it, you have avenues everywhere to go for.
Good morning and welcome to yet another episode of Impeccable Talks. Just recently, India's Ministry of Education has announced a new program called Reverse the Brain Drain of India. If you want to know more about it, please check out the government website. And the reason I'm mentioning this here is because the guest for today is knowingly and unknowingly contributing to this great cause of India. So, on this note, let me welcome Anuja Marwa, who is the founder of Ascent Career Compass. And before I begin with the questions, please introduce yourself quickly.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Anuja Marwa and the owner of Ascent Career Compass. Running from the 25 years of corporate world to now the education world, I think it's a dream come true kind of a thing, and I'm enjoying this journey. And best of luck to the students and the parents to love this journey with me.
Absolutely. So, most important question, Anuja, what is the right time for a student or a parent to approach you? Is it before 10th, after 12th? What is the right time?
Okay. As I say that, because the education system is changing a lot and kids are becoming much mature than what we were used to be, very intelligent. The right age, which I also started with my complete package, and the segment is 8th standard,
Okay.
more of 13, 14, but not started immediately 13, but let them get a little mature to understand career talks as well.
Okay.
By 13 to 14 kind of years.
All right. And in your research so far, in your interactions with students and students and parents so far, what is that most trending and demanding newer options that people are asking for?
Okay. I will say a lot much is changing. Actually, industry is changing a lot. So obviously that is impacting the careers. But overall, I'll say education has nothing as a trending kind of a thing. But yes, the changes with the NEP now taking a complete leap, and education is getting into implementation of the future things, not just the marks and degrees, but more towards skills, what is to be their life ground to have to work it out. So that's what is a trend coming in, and I think I am loving it. That is what is the need of India and overall education system is.
Sure. If I were to just rephrase this question, when we were growing up, doctor and engineer were the two options. वैसे ऐसे कौन से options हैं जो लोग आज opt करना चाह रहे हैं?
I think abhi to it is a cluster of careers. If you asked about it, हमारे time पे it was only 10 careers or something and all, but it is 10,000 careers, and in fact 10 careers every week it is coming. That's
Oh,
how
okay.
it is.
Can you name a few?
Like when we talk about finance, it has to be like financial engineering. So more
Okay.
of liberal education has
Okay.
come into picture, where two streams are combining. It's not just one stream. You're
Got it.
talking about design, so design is with psychology. So all those kind of combinations is coming. Psychology is going very high
Okay, okay.
in demand because of the wellness kind of medical kind of things are going very, very high. Financials is going, actually speaking, engineering is going lower there, but rest is growing more towards
Sure,
art
sure,
size,
sure.
more like in arts and commerce than more of science
Yeah.
streams.
What do you think is the most challenging part of being in this profession?
I think it is, I will not say I'm enjoying it. So for me, it's not a challenge, but yes, making them together as a parent and kids becomes a challenge because they think completely different and they have gone up actually very, very differently. So bringing them to a same page becomes a tough at times because both are right. Nobody is wrong. They have their own experience. They have their own liberty they're looking
Sure,
for.
sure.
So that becomes a challenge, but I think I'm enjoying that challenge being myself as a mom in the same with teenager boy.
Yeah. So you mentioned to me in our interaction that one common question that you face very recently is studying in India or studying abroad. So can you share some light on this dynamic?
Okay. I think like I always going into abroad is a little exposure, getting a infrastructure, more of many different versatility or the combination of streams or courses are lot much is there outside. But economic condition these days are saying like be a little more cautious because there are some safety things which has come in and visa constraints and lot many things which is happening because of economy, that internship and getting a ROI becoming difficult. And plus there are so many universities now coming in India having the structure where you have a 3 years in India, then you have a last year into outside. So if you are a little more creative like in IB board kind of a situation, then you think about it. But there are so many universities now changing, and plus IIM, IIT, we all know that they have a global recognition. So do look at both the things, but yes, be a little more realistic on the ROI side of it, not just for education is important
Sure.
to grow
Sure,
in
sure,
life.
sure. And how is BNI as a network helping you in growing your business?
Okay, I think it's just 5 months. I'm very new to the BNI, but still it is like happy-go-lucky for me. I think I'm blessed with so many referrals and so many help. More than I'll say business growth, but me as an individual growth, because from a corporate world of 25 years, there is a shift in a DNA which I can see coming to me. From a like boardroom networking to really real world networking, your virtual world to the physical world.
Sure.
These kind of things is making me little different kind of a courage and a community mindset which I am growing up with.
So, if you were a student in today's generation, which career option will you pick up?
I think I love my IT still. For me, it is innovation is the things.
Sure.
Earlier, I did the digital transformation in IT and the industries. Now I'm doing the same thing in my careers.
Sure,
So
sure.
same innovation, any field, anything. That's what I'm also teaching. Think about it. What dream you want to have it. You have avenues everywhere to go for.
So, Anuja, I would love to have an extended conversation with you because this is the need of the hour. And before closing, we'll just do quick two rapid fire questions.
Okay.
One is, who is more difficult to deal with, a student or a parent?
Very tough question. I think earlier I used to say more of parents, but recent in last 2 months or 3 months, actually it is becoming difficult because they have a too much of a bigger dreams with no reality check, which is what parents are making them understand, but they are helpless at times. They are not able to make that message to them.
Okay. And one very fun question. Since you are a Delhi girl now living in Mumbai, what will you choose, Delhi or Bombay?
Bombay.
Sure.
Nowhere to go.
Thank you so much, Anuja, for your time. And I would genuinely love to have you on an entire podcast because this is the need of the hour. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Kethi. Thank you, everyone.